Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. A while back I got requested if I can do a video in which I talk about fall pieces, winter pieces that you can take to the spring closet and then how to style them so they feel more spring summer vibing. I felt like this was such a great video idea, since you know I love to talk about how to get more use of the clothes that you already have, and also to get more use of those items that you love, because why wear them only in fall when you can wear them all year round with the right kind of styling. First out, we have probably my favorite clothing item all time, the leather pants. You have seen me wear these a lot. I'm not tired of them yet, and I just think they are the best basics all year around. Maybe not when it's 30 degrees outside, but at least in colder countries like Finland we can wear them almost all year around, especially in spring summer evenings when it's getting colder. They will work also then. So how can we get a more spring vibing feeling with leather pants? Well, style them with a, for example, colored blouse, sheer light blouse, or as in this outfit with a white poofy super cute shirt blouse. To give the outfit and the pants the kind of lightness that we want for spring and summer, instead of dark, for example, black boots, I have added white boots. This will give it a more fresh feeling and not as heavy as it might be together with black boots, because black boots and leather pants, that will for sure give you a more fall winter feeling. And of course a pair of black leather pants goes well together with a pair of heels or mules when it gets warmer, and of course sneakers. I love a black leather pants sneaker combination, and I think that's perfect now for spring. The following item that we are taking from fall to spring and summer is the blazer, and now I would definitely prefer a more oversized grandpa blazer, which is perfect for the Scandinavian style. In the winter we style it with sweaters, turtlenecks, t-shirts, which of course also works in spring summer, but in this look I have combined it with this turtleneck thin dress, and of course we will go for bare-legged together with this look, and it will go perfect with boots if you want a more casual, not too dressed up outfit. But if you prefer to be more classy, dressed up, we can of course add a pair of knee boots that are so trendy at the moment and will dress up this look. And I would say this is also perfect for a after work. When you style the blazer, take two hairbands, hair rubbers, add them to your arms and take the sleeves up to get a more casual, stylish look, which also will give you more skin, show more skin, and that's perfect for spring summer. The third piece that we are going to talk about today are the chunky knitted sweaters. At first feeling they might feel too wintry, too fallish, but these are great for spring and summer, and let me tell you how. Here we have a beige knitted, super chunky knitted sweater. At first sight it looks super heavy, but when you combine it with a pair of lightweight suit pants like these white ones, and adding for example a super light silk scarf, you give that spring summer vibe to the whole look. And I have to say, don't you think that now you wouldn't feel like this is a winter fall super heavy knitted sweater, right? And I mean, if you live in a country like Finland, you know that it gets cold in the evenings and we will need something to keep us warm while it's also stylish. This is actually an outfit that I was wearing already last summer, and this was the outfit that I brought. Let's say that I went on a party and it started early, the sun was shining, it was super hot, and I had maybe just a super cute little dress on me or a skirt and a crop top, but in the evening, you know how cold it gets, then I just went to change, and this was the look that I always put on. I still have some pictures, I'm gonna attach them here, from last midsummer. Actually, when I was wearing this outfit, I was drinking a glass of red wine. I really love this outfit, and yeah, don't be afraid of using chunky knitted sweaters also in spring and summer. Don't for a second think that you can't wear oversized long blazers in spring summer. I mean, this color is quite dark, but look at this. Add a belt and wear it as a dress. I mean, this look is so trendy. It suits the Scandinavian style, and in this way we have styled it in a way that you can wear it also in spring and summer. When it's colder, just add a pair of knee boots. When it gets warmer, just change that out to sandals, heel sandals, and if you want it casual, go for sneakers. Another item that I feel is perfect to bring to the spring summer closet from the fall winter closet, that is the silk skirt. We have this light fabric already, and combine it, for example, with color, as in this look we have the blue short cardigan that still gives that warm feeling on you, but it's just lighter than a regular winter fall outfit would be like with this kind of skirt. And in summer you can of course skip the stockings, and here we are going to combine it with a pair of colorful sneakers, because that's the way you can definitely change a look from fall to spring, is by adding more color and bright or pastel colors, and these from Puma is perfect for that. The final item that you can for sure bring to your spring summer closet from fall winter is the cardigan, especially if it's in a color or a bright color, or just some lighter colors like beige or white. The trend with Bermuda shorts will continue, and that's what we will style this look with. Also, this crop top make the cardigan feel lighter, and we have the perfect spring summer look. And one thing that is so perfect with a cardigan is of course that when the weather is changing, as it does in Finland, it can go from 25 degrees maybe around 6 o'clock to only 15 in the late evening. So in Finland we definitely need something to put on, take off when the weather change in only a couple of hours. So a cardigan is just perfect for that, because you can go to the party, for example, in the Bermuda shorts and a crop top. When it gets colder later on, you just throw on the cardigan, and if you are dancing and getting warm, you can again easily just take it off and then again take it on when you feel like you are getting colder. So yeah, the cardigan is definitely here to stay for also our spring closet. Thank you so much for the request to make this video. I think it was a great idea and it was so much fun to do. Please ask me more things, how to style certain item, or just what you want to know style-wise, and I will make a video about that. Also, remember to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, you should of course subscribe and put on the notification bell so you always get notified when I put up new videos. Mostly I post on Sundays and Tuesday, Wednesdays, but it depends on how much time I have for creating videos. Also, I would love to hear what items will you take from your fall winter closet into spring summer, and how will you style it so it doesn't look too much as fall winter. Have a lovely week. See you in my next video. Bye!